IMA Foundation established and registered in London 2008, and 2019 IMA Foundation registered in Tripura for India. Our motto is contemporary art, endangered art, and indigenous art. How to develop nationally and global platform. Since 5th of April 2020, during lockdown time in India, we start live online art coaching. We start from Tripura, and this is gone in all over the India. Anubhav, Rabindranath Tagore, great poet and great philosopher from our country, his Jivan Shriti said, deep cut means negative or positive every human beings. So we took positive bit and we make Anubhav since 2013. And this online live art project we call Anubhav, part of the Anubhav. Thank you. So Pankhuri is in Kanpur, and Pankhuri did one class with me in Anubhav Jagaran. This is a girls group in Chhattisgarh. So Pankhuri is interested to know how to do the tone. I'm going to show Pankhuri's portrait, how to do it black and white with tone. So my name is Radha Vinod Sharma. I'm talking from London. I am a founder of IMA Foundation. So I'm very proud to be our girls to be coming forward. Basically, my most interested is not only artists. Anybody can be an artist if they wanted to. So Pankhuri done lots of good thing. I seen in her Instagram, and I'm just going to show just a quick demonstration about Pankhuri's portrait. Pankhuri keep same look, okay? Don't change your face. And when I do the pencil, I just go from what I feel like that. Can you see, Pankhuri?
Yes, sir.
So most important thing is doesn't matter what is what. Just I wanted to focus what I see, and I wanted to see like a little bit like a different way. Basically, when I use the pencil, I never get out from my ground. Pencil will be stick with floor, so that make more powerful, and your inner stability to understand through its stroke with pencil that will stay definitely. But if you keep pulling up pencil from ground, that is quite difficult to get the rotation what you've seen, because everybody have nervous system. I'm trying to use my nervous system. I don't follow up any rules in tone. I just do what I see. Basically, this is the way to do everyone. Actually, if you can do it like that, you can learn lots of idea, because there is no style. Actually, people worry for style. People should not worry for style. People should do for learning process all the time. So one eye is done. You can see. I'm going to do another eye. This is a rough drawing, Pankhuri. I'm not trying to portrait to be properly portrait. I'm just showing you how to do the tone. It is very important. If you know how to do tone, you can understand lots of things. This is all a pressure system. How much pressure I'm putting in my sensor with my finger. So this is everything is learning process. I always have learned every single thing I try to learn. Even sewing to Pankuri I'm learning quite a lot. Uh, so if you have learning process all the time, you can see even better way. Because I try to avoid my brain to be not to control. Brain is always try to control because brain want to say, oh, you are this, you are that. I'm not listening. I'm just trying to do exactly what I seen exactly very innocent way because I believe on honesty. I believe on flow. Natural flow is very good. If you can keep it up, natural flow, you can make it happen. It's not necessary that have to be A to B to C to D. This is sometime you have to be focus on, please, this coming oil. So I'm trying to focus what I see actually. This see Pankuri, can you see? This is very narrow dark tone I can see most of, but I'm trying my best. You can see this modeling is coming slowly. Huh?
Yes,
This,
sir.
this might be not a great job, but because one hand holding a mobile phone, because I'm trying to draw from my WhatsApp video call, this is not that easy. Again and again, I'm saying, but everything is possible. No excuse. Everything is possible. If you want to do it, you can do it. We say because of this we can't do, because of that. No, you can do it. Yes, I don't say no. Yes, you can do it if you want. In Hindi we say तरीका होना चाहिए. जिंदगी में इच्छा है तो सब कुछ होता है. This is I believe तरीका होना चाहिए बस. If you know the tariqa, see Pankhuri, can you see? I'm just enjoying. I'm just enjoying. Might be a tone might be not that great, but just I'm just breaking the step by step. You know. Can you see? Tone might be little bit darker, my because Pankhuri's face is really interesting. Actually, you got dimple as well, isn't it, Pankhuri? You got little dimple.
Little bit.
Ah, that's I can see now. I didn't notice. I didn't notice
Not very deep, sir.
this. Okay, I didn't see that before. Now I can see. So every face have different character. Pankhuri's character is quite interesting. So because of dimple, that can be quite easy to catch. So basically, Pankhuri is sitting quite dark area. Whatever I can see, I'm just trying my best.
Yes, sir.
So can you see Pankhuri developing slowly?
Yes, sir, I see.
So this is the way to do. So I'm just comparing. Always time compare. If the hair is this tone, here will be what tone will become. Can you see? Doesn't matter beautiful or not. You learn fast.
So you only observe and draw.
Yeah, observe and draw. Use the nerve. Use the nerve and believe. Plenty of belief is very important. If you don't believe, never will happen because मन की कैमरा से देखो. मन की कैमरा से देखो आपको देखने को मिलेगा. Means if you look from your inner eye, you can see better. See, developing, isn't it? धीरे. One important thing when we do the painting, sometime we get little bit down or maybe not coming. Don't worry, just get out from there and come back again, start again if you have problem like that. So can you see slowly popping out, huh? Pankhuri is popping out. So I'm going to do forehead little bit. So the little bit ear I can see here, very shallow tone. So
Yes.
here, Pankuri is here. I have to catch it, and there's a forehead. देखिए, I'm not worried about what tone is coming or not. I'm just enjoying flow. Flow is very important. If you keep the flow, work is yours. You know, because this is the first observation I'm trying to do. This can be little bit rough, huh? So
Yes, sir.
little bit rough drawing. Just I need to do 1 or 2 minutes only, nearly done. So you can enjoy soil. It's more important you're enjoying. Enjoy is when you enjoy, you know, this बीमारी भी भूल जाता है enjoy में. Sadness go away. Art is like a healing process, you know.
Yes, sir.
When you get sad, if you do drawing anything in any artistic, you feel happy, isn't it? So I need to just give the little this is like a rough drawing, Pankuri. This is not, this is quite difficult what I'm doing, you know.
Yes, sir, I know.
This is not that easy.
I know, sir.
Just I'm giving you hints, possibility, what you can do. And there's like a little t-shirt or whatever you are wearing, little bit idea, huh? And neck, little bit. This is just, I can do so many more details if I was not demonstrating, right? So enjoy, don't get frightened, don't get worried. If you worry, collarbone is here, I'm just doing the last heart little bit, huh? The cloth have to be like a cloth. When you do the cloth, just enjoy the little tone is oil, huh? Environment is very important. What environment you are sitting, you are in market, you are in house, this is also important. So I'm going to do little environment is like a little sofa is backside. Just give the hints. When you do any painting, you can do painting later on. Little bit design, huh? Little bit design here, square, huh? Can you see? Yeah, just give the idea. Now, like a little bit pot, huh?
Little bit background.
Nearly. Little bit background is a wall. Wall is hot color. Little bit dark here, huh? Little bit light here. So there is a one little thing is I don't know what is that, some electric board or something like that, huh? So environment you have to catch. Can you understand? Then now here is little thing. So this is the composition.
Yes, sir.
What?
Very much.
Tell me what you learned today.
Sir, today, the difference between the tones, middle tone, light tone, and light tone, middle tone, and dark tone. And I tried my best to give effort by using these tones.
I'll be sending you, and you got encouraged now. I'm going to say, did you got any confidence? Or I was showing you front of you.
Yes, sir.
So you can do your own, isn't it, nowadays? Next, you can do any portrait. You can try. This confidence I want to see. All of girls, actually. And, of course, you can see the confidence yourself, Israel, if you do it, right? Okay, anyway, Pankuri, confidence भी आ गया ना, आपको खुद कर सकता है अभी, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So this confidence I want to see from all.
मेरा कंफ्यूजन दूर हो गया है कि जो कंफ्यूजन होता था पोर्ट्रेट बनाते टाइम और वो दूर हो गया।
बढ़िया। वही
कैसे उसको यूज करना है, लाइट टोन को, डार्क टोन को, वो पता चल गया।
वही
कहाँ
हम
यूज करना है तो
वही हमको चाहिए था, इसीलिए आपको बोला कि आप लाइन में आइए। आपको ये है पंखुड़ी का। मैंने ये इतना अच्छा नहीं होगा, लेकिन पंखुड़ी को समझा सका कम से कम। हाँ, कम से कम समझा सका कि स्ट्रोक कैसे चलाना पड़ता है पेंसिल को, जो एक हाथ से मोबाइल पकड़ के हम दिखा
Yes,
के
sir,
कैसे
I
इसका।
know.
दैट वाज नॉट दैट इजी, बट एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल। नो
तो बहुत अच्छे से समझाया आपने।
everything is possible, Pankuri, if you wanted, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Today is Friday, 29th of May, and London time is 3:36 now. We start uh, 2:35 or something like that. So we are already more than 1 hours, I think. Time goes. So London time is 3:37 now, and Indian time is maybe 7 minutes past 8.
7.
7 minutes past 8, right?
Yes.
My session is like that, Pankuri. Time goes. I don't count time, because most important thing is मैं जो दिखाना चाहता हूँ, मैं जो सिखाना चाहता हूँ, उसमें से भी मेरे को सीखने को मिलता है कि हर इंसान अलग होता है। उनका जैसा हमको बनना पड़ता है उनको सिखाने के लिए। हाँ,
Yes.
ये एक लाइफ में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, बहुत कुछ सीखने का इच्छा होना चाहिए बस, है ना पंखुड़ी?
हर चीज से सीखने को मिलता है।
अच्छा लगा पंखुड़ी। तो सैटरडे की क्लास में आइए, हम लोग फिर मिलते हैं, ठीक ना?
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
आपको कोई भी फीडबैक देने का
Sure,
ग्रुप
sir.
में, आपको कोई भी
Confirm आइए।
आपको कोई भी फीडबैक देने का ग्रुप में दीजिए, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चलो बाय 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 बाय। हाँ,
Bye.